Okay, so this is one of the optional videos. This is going over quick dimensioning. It's using a specific command in AutoCAD that hopefully makes you more efficient and helps you get your job done quicker and be just faster. Still do the same amount of work, but just do it quicker. And so we're moving away from our Home tab on our ribbon, and we're starting to look at some of these commands on the Annotate tab. So if you go ahead and click on Annotate tab, specifically what we're going to take a look at is this icon. It's this command, quick dimension. And so go ahead and take a couple minutes and draw out this object the way I have it dimensioned here. Don't dimension it, and then I'm going to show you how we can use quick dimension to go ahead and dimension this. So go ahead and take a minute to do that. Okay, so hopefully you have that drawn now. And now I'm just going to delete these dimensions and show you how to use this quick dimension tool to dimension an object, and hopefully it makes you a little bit faster. So this is not a tool I've used a lot, but it's a tool that with some practice I think it could really make me a more efficient drafter. So if you go ahead and click on quick dimension, and now one of the things it's going to help you with is now you're selecting geometry rather than selecting endpoints. So say I wanted a row of dimensions along this right side, and I want to dimension from all these horizontal lines. So I can select all these horizontal lines, including my center line and the bottom of this slot and the entire bottom of my object. So I've selected all those. Now hit enter to say that you're done selecting geometry, and then it gives you an option. Do you want continuous dimensions? Do you want baseline dimensions? Do you want radius? Do you want diameter? So we want continuous, and that's what it's set to by default. So now we can just use our object snap tracking to come over here and place this dimension string to be 5/8 of an inch to the right of that line, and it automatically pops those dimensions in, all spaced appropriately, all lined up. So let's go ahead and try that on the other side. So go ahead and click on quick dimension again, select those same objects. So all 5 of these horizontal lines, and then hit enter to say that you're done selecting the objects. Pull it off to the right. Now this time try using the baseline option. So click on baseline, and we're going to place our first one. So if we come in here, hover over our midpoint, move off to the left, type in 5/8 of an inch, hit enter, and it puts all those baseline dimensions in for us, and with the proper spacing. And it's getting that spacing from our dimension style. If we go into our dimension style, that baseline spacing right here, it's taking that 3/8 of an inch, it's taking it times our scale, and that is where it chose to put all of these other dimension strings out past that. So if we measure from one arrow to the next, that's going to measure to be 3/8 of an inch. Okay. Alright, so a couple other ways we can use our quick dimension. If we click on quick dimension, if we have a bunch of holes of different sizes on our drawing, we can click all of our holes, hit enter. We can use our diameter option, and then click another point for the placement of where you want those holes to be, and it pops in those diameter dimensions. And on this one you might just need to do a little bit of grip editing to go ahead and get that text to be outside of the drawing, but it works the same way. If you have some radiuses, you can go ahead and select those radiuses and pop those dimensions in all at the same time. Okay. So that's the quick dimension tool. I encourage you to try it out, use it, see if you like it. You know, we can also use it to dimension going the other way here along the bottom. So if you click quick dimension, now select those horizontal lines again, hit enter. Now if you pull it down, you can select between continuous and baseline, but still you can go ahead and place those dimensions. They'll all be lined up, they'll all be in the right location for you. So I encourage you to go ahead and try that out and see how it works for you, and let me know if it's something that you use or not.